So hello my dear student, welcome back once again on Merewale Notes platform. My name is Lamin Asim. So in this video we are going to discuss about the most important topics of engineering mathematics. How we are going to check what topics are important and what topics are not important. Obviously we will see last 5-year forenoon and afternoon paper. It means we are going to study total 10 papers. We will see what questions they asked, from which chapter and which topic. So in detail we are going to discuss it, and accordingly we are going to create one summary for GATE 2023 examination. Okay, and as we already know, engineering mathematics is very important subject. Its total weightage is going to vary from 9 marks to 15 marks. Okay, so you can't ignore this subject if you want a very good rank for the public sector undertaking. Okay, so without any delay let's start this session and हम देखते हैं कि in detail last 5 year के papers में हमसे क्या पूछा गया है. So let's start. So this is the complete summary of engineering mathematics. I will discuss topic wise also, like these are the color combination which I will discuss little bit later. But let's take in general overview of GATE 2022 forenoon paper. So in GATE 2022 forenoon paper they asked a total 9 question and total marks is 13. Out of 13 marks, 4 marks like 4 question are from the 2 marks and rest of the question are from the 1 marks. Okay, so they asked one question from the calculus. The question is very general, that is from the limit topic. Differential equation, that is your Laplace equation. Okay, then vector calculus they asked one question from the Stokes theorem. We have 3 theorem na, Green's theorem, Stokes theorem, Gauss divergence theorem. So they asked one question from the Stokes theorem. Then we have calculus, so Fourier series they asked one question from the Fourier series. Then linear algebra they asked one question from type of matrix. From a complex variable chapter they asked one question from integration, and this integration basically is related with the Cauchy integral formula and Cauchy integral theorem. Okay, so this topic is very important, Cauchy integral theorem or Cauchy integral formula, because whenever they are asking question from complex variable, either it is related with the Cauchy integral theorem or formula, or it is related with the analytic functions. Okay, then they asked one question from linear algebra and solution of system of linear equation, like we already discussed this topic on YouTube also, like no solution, many solution, okay, unique solution. So like that this topic is very popular. Now then they asked one question from probability and the topic is Poisson distribution. Then they asked one question from vector calculus, and this topic was very random actually. Orthogonal vectors, they gave you 2 vectors and you need to check whether vectors are orthogonal or not. So it is very easy also, but it's a random kind of topic basically. If you will observe rest of the papers, you will not see this topic again. Okay, now let's talk about GATE 2022 afternoon paper. So total 11 questions they asked, and the total weightage of the engineering mathematics was 16 marks in GATE 2022 examination. So now you can easily understand it is starting from 9 marks and it is going to vary till 16 or 15 marks. So that is the huge number basically in GATE examination. Okay, now in 11 question 1 2 3 4 5 total 5 question are of 2 mark question and rest 6 question are of 1 mark question. Okay, again calculus, Fourier series, they asked the same question again, not same question, same topic basically. Then vector calculus, Stokes theorem, numerical method, Simpson rule. Okay, then again they asked one more question from calculus, that is a simple integration. Simple integration means definite or indefinite single integration kind of thing. So they asked very simple question from the calculus. Okay, then differential equation, they asked one question related to the order and degree, and the question was very conceptual actually. And vector calculus, divergence and curl, differential equation, exact differential. Vector calculus, they asked one question from gradient topic. Linear algebra, rank and linear equation means you got the question combining both the topics, like in 2022 afternoon paper they asked 2 topics in a single question, that is a rank and linear equation. Okay, then linear algebra they asked question from eigenvalues and eigenvector. Complex variable they asked again integration simply means Cauchy integral formula and Cauchy integral theorem. Okay, now let's talk about 2021 forenoon and afternoon paper. So in GATE 2021 forenoon paper, when you observe the number of question, total 7 question they asked and the total weightage is 9 marks. Okay, again like if you will observe chapter differential equation, they ask question solution of differential equation in the sense Like once you start the chapter, you will get so many methods to solve the differential equation. So most of the time they are asking question from the variable separable method and exact differential equation method. Okay, so this question is related to the variable separable method. And from the calculus, again they asked one question from the limit. Limit is very important topic actually in calculus. You can't ignore it because like almost every year you are getting one question from the limit. Okay, then Laplace transformation, Dirac delta function. It was quite complicated because before that no one was covering this topic, Dirac delta function. But yes, they asked one question from this topic also. Okay, then numerical method, modified Euler method. Probability, they asked one question from binomial distribution. Actually Poisson distributions are very popular and very important topic in GATE examination, whether it is binomial distribution, normal distribution, Poisson distribution, like different in a different year they are asking distributions. Okay, so you can't ignore distributions also. Complex variable, they asked one question integration, same like Cauchy integral theorem and Cauchy integral formula. And from the calculus again they asked one very random question related to the tangent. Even if you did not cover GATE engineering mathematics, still you can solve this question because tangent and normal is the 12th class chapter basically na. So if you already completed tangent and normal, you can solve this question very easily. If you will observe GATE 2021 afternoon paper, they asked total 9 question and total weightage of this subject was 13 marks. Okay, out of 9 question, again 5 question are of 2 marks and rest of the question are of 1 mark. Okay, now let's discuss it again. Linear algebra, they asked topic eigenvalues and eigenvector. Then Laplace transformation of a function, very easy, like it is basically related with the formulas. If you know about the formulas, then you can solve all the questions. Okay, now let's discuss about the probability. So they asked one again question from the binomial distribution. From numerical method they asked question from Simpson rule. Complex variable, they asked a question from basic question in the sense the question was very basic, related to the like suppose that you have 1 plus I to the power 4, try to solve it. It's kind of complex number question, not related with the complex variable. Okay, so very basic question of 1 mark they asked in the 2021 afternoon paper. Okay, now from the calculus again they asked one question from the calculus, and the question was from the double integration, linear algebra, transpose, very easy question, differential equation, variable separable method. Okay, and from the numerical method they asked 2 mark question from the Newton-Raphson method. Okay, so this is the complete summary of GATE 2021 forenoon and afternoon paper. Now let's discuss about the 2020 forenoon and afternoon paper. So calculus again they ask question from limit, Laplace transformation again they ask question from the basically formulas. From the complex variable they asked one question from analytic function. Like what they are giving you, one function is given, like real function is given, you need to find out the imaginary function, or we can say that harmonic conjugate function. Okay, so like that they are asking question from the complex variable. Then vector calculus, very basic question they asked, like it is not related to the vector calculus, basically it is related to the vector which we already completed in our 12th class. Okay, that's why whenever you are observing basic question na, it simply means the question is related with the 12th class, not from the engineering mathematics. Okay, numerical method they ask question from Simpson rule, vector calculus again Stokes theorem repeated, probability, exponential distribution. Now you people getting the idea distributions, how much distributions are important. Exponential distribution, previously they asked Poisson distribution, normal distribution, binomial distribution. So distribution is very important topic, try to cover it carefully. Okay, then from complex variable they asked one question from the analytic function. Okay, in 2020 afternoon paper total 7 questions was there, and total marks of the subject is 10 marks, and in the forenoon the total marks is 11 marks. Okay, so it is varying year by year, but not more than 1 mark or 2 mark or 3 marks maximum basically. Okay, so linear algebra they asked one question from this particular chapter, and question is again related with the type of real matrix. In a real matrix you have 3 type of matrices now. First one is the symmetric matrix, then skew symmetric matrix, then orthogonal matrix. So most of the time whenever you are getting the type of questions, type of matrix topic now, so generally they are asking either question from the symmetric matrix or from the skew symmetric matrix. Okay, So it is very important, try to cover all the three type of matrix, real matrix basically. Then from probability, again they ask one question from normal distribution, calculus, double integration repeated itself, Laplace, again topic repeating itself, vector calculus, directional derivative, okay. Then complex variable, same analytic function, numerical method, trapezoidal rule. Once I will summarize it, then you will get the idea like how the topics are repeating itself continuously, okay. Now let's have a look of 2019 forenoon paper. Total 7 marks, total weightage is 9 marks. Again they ask one question from probability, random variable, numerical method, trapezoidal rule, linear algebra, topic repeating itself, eigenvalues and eigenvector. From the calculus they ask one more question, like generally we completed one more topic in calculus. If you have any curve and you are going to revolve the curve in along the x-axis or y-axis, so it is going to generate the volume. So that generated volume you need to find. I completed this topic in my engineering mathematics and it is very easy also, formula based topic. So they asked in 2019, okay. Then differential equation, again variable separable method, complex variable, complex conjugate function, the same topic. Like one real part is given and you need to find the imaginary part, or imaginary part is given, you need to find out the real part, okay. From linear algebra, the topic is repeating itself again, solution of system of linear equation, like no solution, unique solution and so many solution, like that you need to answer, okay. Now 2019 afternoon paper, total 8 question, marks is 11. From probability they ask mean median mode, linear algebra, again repeating itself topic, eigenvalue, eigenvector, complex variable, again mean median mode, okay. Not mean median mode basically, this is the part of integration, not mean median mode. So this is an integration topic, linear algebra, transformation matrix, sometime mirror matrix they are giving ना. So it's a kind of topic like इससे पहले इन्होंने इसके बारे में कभी नहीं पूछा, ठीक है. So there is only one question of 1 mark from the linear algebra. Differential equation, variable separable method, again topic repeating itself, vector calculus, Stokes theorem, numerical method, approximation. Like once you start the numerical method, so you need to identify the error. Like if you are finding some value and you are applying numerical method and then finding some value, so you will get some error. So percentage of error you need to find out in this question, and it was a 2 mark question basically, okay. Then differential equation, CFA and PI, very popular topic, okay. Now let's have a look of 2018 forenoon and afternoon paper. So total marks of forenoon is 12 and afternoon is 15 marks, okay. In 2018 they asked 8 question and in afternoon paper they asked a total 10 questions, okay. From probability, again random variable, rank of the matrix, calculus, mean value theorem, complex variable, CR equation they asked. Now again probability, normal distribution, okay. Vector calculus, again Stokes theorem repeating itself, again Laplace transformation of a function repeating itself, modified Euler method, okay. From the calculus, like if we are talking about the afternoon paper, so from the calculus they asked Fourier series, then divergence and curl. From the differential equation chapter they asked partial differential equation, like you need to identify whether it is parabolic, hyperbolic, okay. You will get one question and you need to find out b square minus 4ac, and accordingly you can answer, okay. Now from the linear algebra they asked one question, very easy question from the determinant. Then they asked again complex variable, Cauchy integral theorem, Cauchy integral formula, basic integration question, okay. From the probability, again they asked exponential distribution, okay. Vector calculus, gradient, linear algebra, solution of system of linear equation. And from the differential equation, again they asked one question from the CF and PI. So my dear, if you will observe last 5-year paper, these are total 10 papers, because in 1 year they are giving you total 2 paper, forenoon and afternoon. So with this, like you are getting a proper idea how the topics are repeating itself and what topics they are asking generally, okay. So if we are going to focus limit na, so I highlighted limit topic from the red color. So try to identify the red color, limit, then again limit, then यहाँ पर like yes. So in 5-year limit repeating itself 3 times, okay. Then let's see Laplace equation, light blue color, okay. Then let's see Laplace, again light blue color, again light blue, Laplace, again light blue color, Laplace. So how many times Laplace repeating itself? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, okay. So in 5-year Laplace transformation and basic formula based question repeating itself 5 times, okay. Then focus on Stokes theorem. So Stokes theorem, I highlighted Stokes theorem from the yellow color basically. So 1, 2, then 3, then 4, 5. Okay, so in 5 years Stokes theorem repeating itself 5 times. So now my dear, you are getting idea. Now let's have a look of distribution, binomial distribution. So 1 time Poisson distribution, 2 time like second time binomial, third time exponential, 4 time normal, and then 5th time again normal, 6th time again exponential. So now you people can understand how much Poisson distribution is important, whether it is binomial, Poisson or normal. Try to cover all the distribution carefully and take a lot of practice also, so that you are going to cover this topic in GATE 2023 examination. Okay, similarly if we are going to cover vector calculus, so the basic topics of vector calculus is how to find gradient, divergence, curl and directional derivative. Okay, so try to focus on blue strip, divergence, curl, gradient 2 times, okay, then 3 times, then 4 times, 5 times. So in last 5 years this topic repeating itself 5 times. So now you are getting idea. Then eigenvalue, eigenvector, green color highlighted strip. Okay, so 1, 2, then 3, 4. Okay, so 4 time eigenvalues and eigenvector repeating itself. So my dear, all these topics are very important. And if I am going to summarize the last 5-year paper analysis for GATE 2023, if you are talking about the linear algebra, what topics you should cover for GATE 2023 examination? The very first topic is type of symmetric matrix. Try to cover it, and if you have time, try to cover it all the type of matrix. But right now I am giving you the topics in which you have to focus more, you have to practice some more question. I am not saying just completely left rest of the topic. I am not saying this thing. If you want a good rank, you need to cover each and every topic from the engineering mathematics. You can't skip even a single topic because competition is very high. But whenever you are going to practice that topic, try to practice more number of questions from these topics. So, okay. So second topic is eigenvalue and eigenvector, and obviously third topic is your related with the rank. Okay. Now let's have a look of calculus. So limit, very important. I already showed you. Okay, then maxima and minima, it is important. You will not get did not get a question in my analysis, but yes, obviously it is important because it's very popular also, okay, among these students. Then double integration, you can't ignore this topic. Okay, then volume generated by the curve, that is also important, and obviously Fourier series you need to cover. Now let's take a look of vector calculus. So in a vector calculus, gradient, directional derivative, divergence, curve, all these are very basic and very important topic. You can cover very easily. Okay, so try to cover it properly. Then Stokes theorem, then we have one more theorem, Green's theorem, and Gauss divergence theorem. So whatever the question which you are getting from the integration, that questions you can easily solve with the help of these 3 theorems. Okay, so please don't ignore, because you will get some question in GATE 2023 examination also. Now let's talk about differential equation, order and degree, important. Variable separable method, exact differential equation, sometime they will ask a question definitely in the upcoming exam, and obviously the question which is related with the complementary function and particular integral, CF and PI, very popular, and I already completed all these topics on YouTube also, so you can follow my lectures also. Okay, you will get better clarity. Then from the complex variable, try to cover analytic function, Cauchy integral theorem and formula. From the numerical method, we already observed they asked one question from Newton-Raphson, and they asked 1 or 2 questions from Euler theorem, Euler method and modified Euler method, and Simpson and trapezoidal rule. Don't cover even a single topic except these 3 topics. Trust me, whenever they are asking question from numerical method, either they are asking from Newton-Raphson, Euler or modified Euler, or Simpson and trapezoidal rule. Okay, from the probability, try to cover random variables and distributions, obviously mean, median, mode, and there is one more important topic basically, that is your conditional probability. So try to cover it, conditional probability also. Okay, so hope so you get proper idea of engineering mathematics. If you like the video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel, and if you want analysis of any other mechanical engineering subject, please share with me in the comment section. I will share one video to all of you. Thanks a lot and all the best for GATE 2023 examination.